It is not fair. Sasa hivi vijana wa Roko wamechukua bunduki yangu na wamenigonga hivi. Na mheshimiwa wangu ndio huyu. It is not fair. Look at what they have done to me. Wameenda na bunduki. Wamechukua bunduki. Wamenigonga mawe, ona mdomo yangu. Hapana, nimezingira mheshimiwa hivi. Wakachukua bunduki. Angalia sasa mdomo wangu bila nakaa.
No, don't.
You see?
Don't worry.
It's not good.
Yeah, so we want to encourage people to still come and vote. Gone with the gun for my bodyguard, and you can see they have stolen me, and he's the one who was telling them to hit me when I'm with them. And I'm here to wait for our ODM candidate who is on the way to vote. That is what we're waiting for. He's arriving here in 5 minutes. This is not acceptable. I want to tell our people to still come out and vote. Don't worry about what is happening. Come out and vote. These people want to cause violence so that they scare people from voting, because they know we won. So come out and vote. You see, they have attacked me, but I'm still here. There is no issue. Come out and vote. As we encourage our people, please don't react even if you are attacked. Just the way you have not reacted, even under attack. Let us not. We will not fight back. We will fight on the ballot. The people of Kasipul come out and vote. If I were to fight, there would be no voting. I will not fight back. The bad thing they have done is that on his instructions, they have taken the gun for my security, and it has been handed over to him before he left.
So I've done voting, and I'm happy the process is going on smoothly. It's peaceful, as you can see, it's peaceful. So I want to encourage the residents of Kasipul. Let's come out in large numbers, let's vote. And I want to encourage the other candidates. Let's maintain peace when we vote. The process is smooth. There's nothing wrong, there's no chaos. So let people come out in large numbers. Let the people, residents of Kasipul, vote, and their vote will count. Let them elect the leader of their choice and come after the by-election. I encourage every candidate, let's embrace each other. After this, we'll have only one member of parliament, and we all belong to Kasipul. It was an attack. As you can see.
Targeted, they have left.
As you can see, Mheshimiwa Kaluma has been attacked and he's bleeding. So I want to urge everyone, all candidates. There's no point of bringing chaos. Let the people of Kasipul decide who they want as the member of parliament. So let's embrace each other. Let's maintain peace so that the voting can go on smoothly.
Kuro gore maber tika tika keto mara sani okaneno gimoro marach as at now ji pod ni laini ji go kura waparo ni by the end of the day ji bro bedo ni obiro in big numbers to mondo gigo kura, but onge gimoro malich moneno marach manyalo wacho ni in this particular polling station nitiere gimoro marach. Ok aneno ko sirikal boketo arit makende mondo girit jowa. Wa ajgi wamiyo gi mana jiwruok ni kik gi dog piny, kita security mondo jogo kura kata jodhi dala peacefully. Kwe na mwawacho ne jowa ni dongruok ikelo gi kwe.
Anyalo wacho ni kaluwore gik maseneno kuonde mosewuothe e polling stations mantie so far, anyalo wacho ni in ratio of 1 to 10 about 7% aneno ka okrach ahinya. Challenge more mwaneno ka sama adonjo tayudo ka yarbura moro hiny maremo ni wuok kuome, mamano gima akwedo kabisa nikech kaka jotelo wane mwanya kwe, wane mwanya lweny. Koro anyalo wacho ni percent maduong' to kaneno pek mana achiel ariyo man kaki kacha, to nadwa ni mondo challenge jowa ma jo Kasipul ni wawuoguru oko to wagouru kura yor kwe